The coronavirus pandemic and the waning of American prestige. Over the weekend, the official coronavirus death toll in the United States surpassed 50,000, less than 2 months after Trump waved away the threat, likening the virus to little more than the flu. The president's divisive management of the crisis includes relentless squabbling with state governors and daily briefings that are replete with boasts and vitriol but bereft of the empathetic and consensus-building rhetoric one would expect of a head of state at a time of national emergency. Abroad, the Trump administration and its allies nurse grievances over China's handling of the outbreak and are working to defund and undercut the World Health Organization, the UN Health Agency, for its supposed connivance with Beijing. On Friday, the WHO led a virtual meeting with world leaders to better coordinate efforts to produce a coronavirus vaccine. The United States opted not to attend, an absence that underscored yet again the contrast between this White House and its distaste for multilateral diplomacy and its predecessor, which a decade ago was at the heart of a global response to the financial crisis. That's not just a consequence of Trump's unique brand of politics, but also of that perceived decline, recognized by skeptics of the post-Cold War liberal status quo. It extends well beyond Trump, threading its way back to the aftershocks of 9/11 and the costly U.S. war efforts that followed. "We need to change the way we think about national security and foreign policy," wrote Ben Rhodes, a former advisor in President Barack Obama's White House National Security Council. At loggerheads with the federal government, individual U.S. states have at times looked abroad for medical supplies and assistance. Countries such as Germany and South Korea, two nations that emerged as regional economic powers thanks to American protection and aid, are the exemplars in the coronavirus response, particularly when it comes to testing. America has not done badly, it has done exceptionally badly. America prepared for the wrong kind of war. Dominique Moissy, a French political scientist and senior advisor at the Paris-based Institut Montaigne, told in an interview in which he also decried the brutal nature of the United States capitalist system compared with Europe's more humane social democracies. It prepared for a new 9/11, but instead a virus came. The public social safety net is not working. Stiglitz, a frequent critic of Trump, also lamented the president's disinterest in building global alliances and forging meaningful cooperation at a time of crisis. "We are not leading in the pandemic response, we are trailing other countries by a long shot," presidential historian Douglas Brinkley told Politico. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.